Spoken English conversation. Subscribe please.
V1 base form cabal. V2 past form cabaled. V3 past participle cabaled. V4 present par, caballing. V5 SESIES cabals. Question 1. What is the base form of the verb cabal? Answer. The base form of the verb cabal is cabal. Question 2. What is the past form of the verb cabal? Answer. The past form of the verb cabal is cabaled. Question 3. What is the past participle of the verb cabal? Answer. The past participle of the verb cabal is cabaled. Question 4. What is the present participle of the verb cabal? Answer. The present participle of the verb cabal is caballing. Question 5. What is the third person singular SESIs of the verb cabal? Answer. The third person singular SESIs of the verb cabal is cabals.
Verb forms. Example sentences.
V1 to cabal against the government is illegal. V2 they caballed against their rivals last year. V3 she has caballed with powerful people. V4 caballing behind closed doors can lead to conspiracies. V5 he often cabals with like-minded individuals.
Subscribe my channel.